In this video, I'm going to show you how to invest in the stock market if you're a total beginner. But before we get started on this channel, I make short, concise videos that show and tell you what you need to know as quickly and as easily and without any fluff. So if you could please take a moment to go below this video and hit the subscribe button and hit that bell notification icon, it would really help me out. So with that said, let's get started. So there's two ways that I would recommend that you invest in the stock market if you're a total beginner. The first one is to invest in the S&P 500. Now you can buy the S&P 500 on websites such as DeGiro, Trading 212, or eToro. The S&P 500 allows you to diversify your income with one purchase. It allows you to buy a certain stake in 500 of the top US companies, and you diversify all across there. So if you just buy one share, if it's, let's say it's $100, it will diversify that $100 over the top 500 companies in the US. And it works like a league kind of situation. It's a managed fund. So let's say there's a company that's not doing so well, they'll be removed and another company will go in. So that's why it has an average return of between 7 and 12% every single year. So that is the number one way that I would recommend you invest, and invest it over a long period of time. You're talking about putting $100 or maybe $1,000 in every single month for 20, 30, 40 years, and that compound interest will accrue, and at the end of it, when you cash out, let's say it's for your retirement, you will have a massive lump sum then at that point. Now the other way, which is a bit more risky, is by using a website called eToro. So eToro is available in Ireland. I'm not sure what other countries it's available in, but I'm pretty sure it's available worldwide. There's a couple of things that eToro allows you to do. Yes, you can also buy the S&P 500 on here, but you can also buy portfolios. So I have a portfolio here it's called Big Tech. So it's all of the tech companies. It's kind of like an index fund, similar to the S&P 500, but it's just a portfolio managed by eToro with the top tech companies in the world. The most exciting one now at the moment is Crypto Equal, a list of cryptocurrencies, and it puts an equal amount on every single one of them, and I'm up a nice little bit at the moment because the crypto bull run is happening right now. Another type of thing that you can invest in here on eToro is by copy trading. So this type of person here, Financial Man or Fund Manager Zach or Amit Kup, they are professional lifelong traders. So you can copy trade them. So let's say they've invested in 4 companies. You just put your money on top of them and you'll do all of the trades that they do as well. These ones seem to have lower swing compared to the likes of the cryptocurrency portfolio or the big tech portfolio, but they also have lower downswings as well. Now, what do these stars mean? So a black star means that they have over $10 million in their portfolio that they're managing. So these are the people that you really want to go for, the ones with the black stars. I know you see a red star here who's actually doing better than the black stars, but when it comes to a bear market, when the market's going down, the red star might go down a lot more than the likes of Piatara or someone like that, you know. So the black stars are just a safer investment. There will be bigger swings with people that have different stars. Now, what do I recommend that you definitely do not do when you're getting into investing? Don't buy penny stocks. Don't go out there thinking you're a genius and picking Tesla when you don't know what Tesla is going to do. Don't go out there and pick Apple when you don't know what Apple's going to do. Or don't go out there and pick penny stocks or low market cap stocks thinking that, oh, if this one goes up to $100, I'll be a millionaire. Don't do that. 90% of investors that try to do that lose money. And you'll even see it here on eToro. When you're copy trading people that have maybe a green star, they mostly over a long period of time would actually probably be make less money than the S&P 500. So don't go out there and try and pick stocks yourself. Either invest in the S&P 500, which is the number one safe bet out there, or you can buy some of the portfolios in eToro, or you can do some copy trading. Don't do anything else. That's my advice for you guys. Have a great day. And again, please go below this video and hit the subscribe button. It would really, really help me out. I try to keep these videos nice and short to give you the information that you need as quickly as possible with no fancy editing or anything like that. So that's it for me today, guys. Thank you so much.